Sige, good evening everyone. Now, welcome sa batch 34 of our online SEO Bootcamp. I'm your main SEO coach, Rene Leandro Padilla.
My name is Alan po. I'm located in Parañaque City.
Karin Claire Abuhon.
I'm currently in Tagum City.
Ako po si Marie Chris. Dito po ako sa Norway.
Hi, my name is Johan Bagarte. I'm
Ako pa pala si Brian Quinyo. I am from Aurora, Zamboanga del Sur.
I am Romel Kent Maximo from Bukidnon.
Mary Josephine Balsa.
Coach, hello everyone.
Adlawan.
I'm from
Hey everyone, I'm Corlin May Caceres from Cagayan de Oro.
po from Dubai.
Xavier Cabudo.
I'm Albert Habonero from Kidapawan City.
I'm Tyrone from
My
Taguig.
name is Erlo Gondino, currently here in Quezon City. Hello, Coach. Hello, everyone. My name is Joshua.
Good morning, wherever you are. I'm Sheldon Bob. I'm currently in Cebu City.